So here we have the classic Doc 250 box, and we know that we've got a rat in it today, which is awesome. So all we do is we open up the box, we see we've got the rat. With our Doc 250s we use the resetting tool. So you place it in the middle there, allow it to drop down, and as you pull it up, as long as you've got the resetting tool with you, you're holding that weight. We use tongs to remove the dead animals. You want to make sure that you always have gloves on because they carry so many diseases. And as we're on a public track here today, we want to get rid of this rat very far away, which will chuck him further into the forest, and then you can go on, continue on resetting your trap. So the trigger arm bar here has just gone behind the sear, which is a little square knob there on the plate, which the trigger arm needs to catch on to. So we're just going to bring it forward, and you should hear it click to reset.